Today we discuss about the chemical composition of the mitochondria. Each membrane is made up of two main substances, that is the proteins and lipids. The mitochondria are found to contain about 65 to 75% proteins, which is the main constituent. In its usual form, it is insoluble in water. The lipid part of mitochondria is about 25 to 30%. It is composed of 90% phospholipids, 5% cholesterol, and 5% free fatty acids. Besides proteins and lipids, mitochondria also consist of 0.5% RNA and small amount of DNA. With this, there is small amount of sulfur, iron, copper, and some vitamins. There are more than 70 enzymes and coenzymes in mitochondria. These enzymes are distributed in matrix and in the membranes. Then the functions of mitochondria. The mitochondria are called as the powerhouse of cells. The main function of mitochondria is the synthesis of energy rich compound, that is ATP. ATP is nothing but the currency of the cell or energy. The energy released during the oxidation of foodstuffs is used for the synthesis of ATP by mitochondria. Due to the generation of high energy ATP, the mitochondria are called the powerhouse of cells. Further, the energy in the form of ATP is made available to all the energy consuming processes of the cells by the mitochondria. The cells respire only in the aerobic conditions, that is, in presence of the oxygen. In aerobic condition of the cells, only the mitochondria are present in the cells. When cells are removed from the aerobic conditions and placed in anaerobic conditions, that is, in absence of oxygen, the mitochondria disappear. It clearly indicates that in cells, mitochondria are the main respiratory centers. In the process of cell respiration, ATP molecules are manufactured and stored in the mitochondria. The cell respiration takes place in four steps, that is glycolysis, oxidation and decarboxylation of pyruvic acid, then Krebs cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. So first we see about the glycolysis. The process of breakdown of glucose to pyruvic acid is called glycolysis. Glycolysis occurs inside the cytoplasm of the cell and outside the mitochondria. The enzymes for glycolysis are found in the cytoplasm of the cell. Then the second step, that is oxidation and decarboxylation of pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid produced in the glycolysis enters the elementary particles which are located on the outer membrane of the mitochondria. So these elementary particles contain an enzyme which is called as the pyruvic acid dehydrogenase. So this follows the process, that is oxidation and decarboxylation. So in this process, the pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl coenzyme A, that is with the help of the enzyme pyruvic acid dehydrogenase. ही कुठून आलेला आहे? That is it produced from the elementary particles which are located on the outer membrane of the mitochondria. Then next one is the Krebs cycle. This cycle was first coined by scientist Krebs in 1936. This cycle is also called as the citric acid cycle because the cycle begins with the formation of citric acid, which is a carboxylic acid containing 3 COOH groups. Hence, this cycle is also called as tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is TCA cycle. Krebs cycle is functional only in the aerobic condition of the cell, not in the anaerobic condition. The enzymes for the Krebs cycle are located in the matrix of the mitochondria. The acetyl-CoA combines with the oxaloacetic acid from citric acid, which contains 6 carbon atoms. This reaction is catalyzed by an enzyme called citric acid synthetase. After several steps, oxaloacetic acid is regenerated, which again condenses with the acetyl-CoA to form citric acid, and thus the cycle is repeated. In Krebs cycle, only one molecule of ATP is synthesized directly. It is synthesized when succinyl CoA is converted into succinic acid. This reaction is catalyzed by an enzyme succinic acid thiokinase. Then the fourth step is the oxidative phosphorylation. In this, a single glucose molecule, that is C6H12O6, generates or produces 38 ATPs. That is, it combines with oxygen, then water and ADP. There are 38 ADP, that is adenosine triphosphate, and 38 Pi, that is inorganic phosphate. In presence of the enzyme, that is the respiratory enzymes, that can be converted into 6CO2, then 12 H2O, and 38 ATP molecules are released. Then the ATP transport. The ATP molecules manufactured in the cell respiration are stored in the mitochondria. The mitochondria provides energy where energy requirement is high. They collect at sites where energy is to be required. Due to the contraction of the membrane and increase in the internal hydrostatic pressure of the mitochondria, water and ATP are squeezed out. This results into the relaxation of the mitochondrial membrane and the lowering of the ATP concentration. This hormone, the hormone thyroxine causes the swelling of the mitochondria, while ATP brings about the contraction of the membrane. So that is all about the mitochondria.